Good morning and happy Monday. Today is Measurement Monday, so we'll be doing spiral review with some measurement concepts. So the most important thing we're going to be focusing on today is volume. Volume will be our next unit that will actually be starting next week, but we've been previewing it throughout the year. Volume means how much fits inside of a 3D shape. Okay, so there's a couple ways to find volume. We could find volume by just simply counting the squares or using length times width times height, using the three numbers. We'll use those today for our spiral review. First question, true or false? The shapes below have the same volume. Why? Okay, so in this case, there's no numbers for me to use, so I can actually count the squares. So the volume of this rectangular prism would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes deep, so 5 cubic centimeters. This volume would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the question says, do they have the same volume? Well, the answer is no, because this volume is larger than this volume. No. Okay, next question. What is the volume of the shape? Now there's a couple ways we can do this. Because they have the squares, we could actually count the squares. Now notice I'm not counting all the sides, I'm actually counting the squares. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because there's some in the back, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, because there's some in the back. That's kind of hard to do because you can't see them all. Otherwise, because they gave us our numbers, we can do length times width, times height. We can use these numbers to find the volume. So length is 3, times the width is 2, times the height is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, next one. Caesar measured a piece of wood as 4 feet and 5 inches. He cut off 1 foot and 3 inches. How much wood does he have left? Okay, so a couple words. I know that he cut some things off and asked how much does he have left. So I'm assuming he has a piece of wood, he cut it off, so I'm subtracting. Now, we've never subtracted with measurement before, but here's how I'm going to set it up. 4 feet and 5 inches, take away 3 feet and 1 inch. Okay, I'm going to set it up exactly as it's written. Okay, now the reason I set it up is because you might actually have to regroup in situations, but we'll see if we have to today. Okay, so we always start on the right. 5 inches, take away 1 inch. Well, 5 take away 1 is 4, so I do not need to regroup. 4 inches. 4 feet, take away 3 feet is 1 foot. So he has 1 foot and 4 inches left. A very basic problem. It will get more difficult next week. All right, last question. How many total students studied for over 2 hours? And we have a line plot. This is nothing new for us. So it said, how many total students studied for over 2 hours? Well, here's 2 hours, and everyone else is over 2 hours. And it's asking for students. People are considered the x's, so I'm going to count the x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 total students.